Make rice, broccoli, and chicken casserole. Casseroles are good dishes to serve when you have guests or for big dinners at home. They are easy to make and the portions are larger so everyone is sure to be full at the end of the meal. One of the casseroles that you can make is rice, broccoli, and chicken casserole. This is a complete dish that you can serve. Even kids love this recipe. Find out how to make this casserole. Ingredients to prepare. The ingredients you need are Cheese Whiz, 20 ounces of broccoli, chopped celery, chopped onion, pimiento, breadcrumbs, canned mushrooms, canned water chestnuts, cooked rice, salt, and pepper to taste and chicken breasts deboned and skinless cut into cubes. Measure the ingredients. If you haven't already cooked the rice, you can start cooking it. You need about 1½ cups of uncooked rice for this recipe. Measure ½ a cup each of the chopped celery and chopped onions. Use small cans for the mushrooms and the water chestnuts. Drain them well from their liquids so that your casserole won't be watery. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken. Cook the chicken cubes first. You can use your own seasoning for cooking the chicken or just simply season the cubes with salt and pepper and cook in a skillet until they are tender. One idea is to cook the chicken cubes in melted butter to make them taste richer. Prepare the casserole. Get a mixing bowl and combine together the chopped broccoli, cooked chicken, chestnuts, mushrooms, pimiento, chopped onions, chopped celery and Cheese Whiz. Mix the ingredients well until they are well coated with the cheese. You can add more if you like. Melt some butter to coat the casserole dish. Afterward, add the cooked rice to the casserole. This will be the first layer of the dish. The bottom should be covered with the cooked rice. Add all the other ingredients that you mixed on top of the rice layer. Pour the melted butter over the casserole and then sprinkle breadcrumbs on top. If you want a cheesy crust, you can grate cheddar cheese on top before adding the breadcrumbs. Bake the casserole. Now you can bake the casserole. You do not need to cover the top of the dish before baking. Bake the casserole for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the cheese and breadcrumbs turn into a golden crust. Allow the casserole to cool for a while before serving since the contents can be extremely hot. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice after baking the casserole to get that tangy taste. This is the recipe for rice, broccoli, and chicken casserole. You can change the ingredients of the casserole according to what you like. You can add bacon, ham, tuna, or other ingredients that your family enjoys. Change the Cheese Whiz to different kinds of grated cheese to achieve different flavors. You do not need to prepare additional dishes to complement that casserole since it is already a complete meal.